Mountain bike pala, ha? Ha?
Mountain bike pala, ha? Eh.
Sige, mountain bike.
Mountain bike, ay!
All mountain pala, ha? Gusto mong mag-mountain bike, ha? Oh. Ayaw mo mag-road, ha? Ha?
Mountain bike.
Ilang beses ka umendo ngayon?
Dito mo dati?
Tatlong beses?
Dito.
Hindi naman ganun.
Pasa dito, pasa dito.
Masakit?
Tapos yung dito yung mahaba, di ba?
Hindi naman.
Sarap.
Patingin nga.
Pag nakikita namin.
Masukis
Bumili
yan
ka na.
eh.
Patingin nga.
Masukis.
Dito.
Bumili ka na.
Ano gusto mong bilhin?
Yung
Mayguard.
knee pads.
Knee pads.
Balak na mag-hockey.
Gusto nyo?
Hardcore rider.
Hardcore rider.
Ako may bibilin din ako.
Anong bibili mo?
Bagong baga.
Baga.
Tsaka legs. Tsaka legs.
Set of legs, ah.
Ikaw, jingle ka dyan, eh.
Sumisimple ka na naman, wey.
Simple ka na naman, eh.
All these thoughts and the pain attached to them. Sometimes I wonder why this is happening. It's like nothing I can do would distract me when I think of how I shot myself in the back again. Cause from the infinite words I can say, I put all the pain you gave to me on display, but didn't realize instead of setting it free, I took what I hated and made it a part of me. Never goes away. Never goes away. And now you become a part of me. You'll always be right here. You become a part of me. You'll always be my fear. I can't separate myself from what I've done. Giving up a part of me. I let myself become you. Hearing your name, the memories come back again. I remember when it started happening. I see you in every thought I had, and then the thoughts slowly found words attached to them. And I knew as they escaped away, I was committing myself to them. And every day I regret saying those things, cause now I see that I took what I hated and made it a part of me.